Are you planning to buy a laptop? Here's the best way to check it out. Maestro Colette Jimmy Ramos will help you to determine the specification. First is we're going to click the Windows key icon on the left side. Look for the setting symbol. Click it. And now we're going to proceed to the system. Scroll it down and look for the words About. Then it shows the device specification. We have here the device name and we have here the processor. The processor is the search engine or the engine of the laptop. And we have here the installed RAM, 8 gig. We have also the device ID, product ID, and the system type. We have 64-bit operating system and pen and touch. According to its system, no pen or touch input available. After that, we're going to look for the Windows specification, the edition of the operating system, Windows 10 Pro Education. And it was installed last 2021. Don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.